Hello everyone, welcome you all to a new session of my YouTube channel, and in this session of ours we are going to discuss 50 more questions mainly on chemistry, which is also a subject of science. And in this session also we are going to discuss some 50 most important questions which are highly important for our upcoming government examinations like our SSC CGL and SSC CHSL. So here we are having our first question. You can see on the screen that monazite is an ore of, and our answer is thorium. So monazite is an ore of thorium. Here in the next question we have to match the elements with their symbol, right? So here first antimony and its symbol is Sb. It's correct. Next is our tin and its symbol is given as Ti, which is absolutely wrong. Next come towards tungsten and its symbol is W. It's also correct. Next is our rhenium and its symbol is our Re. So here the wrong answer is our tin, whose symbol is written as Ti. Next come towards water is a compound. Because why water is a compound? Because it contains two different elements joined by chemical bonds. We all know very well that water contains two different elements like our hydrogen as well as oxygen. So the combination of two different elements is known as our compound. Thus water is also a compound. Next come towards the element nickel is A, and our answer is magnetic metal. So the element nickel is a magnetic metal. Next come towards another question. Potassium permanganate is used for purifying drinking water because it is an oxidizing agent. So potassium permanganate, which is used for purifying drinking water, is an oxidizing agent. Next come towards the next question. Graphite and sillimanite are refractory minerals. So graphite and sillimanite are refractory minerals. The presence of which of the following salts in water causes corrosion in steam boilers? And our answer is magnesium chloride. The presence of magnesium chloride in water causes corrosion in steam boilers. Next question. When an iron nail gets rusted, iron oxide is formed. And here the increase of the weight of the nail occurs because there is an outer layer in case of a iron nail when it gets iron oxide. So definitely there is an increase in the weight of the nail. In the next question, we have to match the elements with their nature. So first one is our sodium. We know very well that sodium is an alkali metal. Next come towards phosphorus. Phosphorus is a non-metal. Next come towards iodine. Iodine is a halogen. Next come towards radon, and radon is a gas. Next question. Water is a good solvent of ionic salts because it has a high dipole moment. So water is a good solvent of ionic salts because it has a high dipole moment. Next question. The hardest substance available on earth is diamond. Thus the hardest substance available on the earth is our diamond. Next question. Actinides are the elements with atomic numbers. Actinides are the elements with atomic numbers from 89 to 103. That is, actinides comprises of about 15 elements, and those 15 elements are present in between 89 to 103 in periodic table. Next question. Which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? And our answer is silver. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Next, the ratio of pure gold in 18 karat gold is, and our answer is 75%. The ratio of pure gold in 18 karat gold is 75%. Our next question. The highest grade of coal whose surface is shining and has the highest calorific value is, and our answer is anthracite. Anthracite is the coal whose surface is shining and has the highest calorific value. Our next question. In the next question, we have to match the minerals with the industrial uses. And here the correct one or the correct match is mica. Here the correct ones are zircon, which is used as nuclear reactors, and second is our manganese ore, which is used in dry battery. Next is our bauxite, which is used in tanning. But here mica, whose use is written as bleaching powder, is absolutely wrong. So here the correctly not matched is our mica bleaching powder. Our next question. The element found on the surface of the moon is, and our answer is titanium. Titanium is the element which is found on the surface of the moon. Our next question. The average salinity of seawater is, and our answer is 3.5%. The average salinity of seawater is 3.5%. Which of the following is most stable element? And our answer is lead. Lead is the most stable element. Next question. Find the odd one. Here the options are marble, chalk, limestone and slacked lime. Marble, chalk, limestone. These three are solid, but the one which is slacked lime is liquid. The slacked lime is different. However, all are having calcium as a common component. Next, diamond is harder than graphite because, and our answer is difference of crystalline structure. So diamond is harder than graphite because of its difference in crystalline structure. Next question, a superconductor is characterized by, and our answer is zero permeability. Thus, a superconductor is characterized by zero permeability. Next question, of the various forms of carbon, the one which is used for adsorption purpose is, and our answer is wood charcoal. Of the various forms of carbon, wood charcoal is used for adsorption purpose. Next question. The main constituent of fuels are, and our answer is the calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. So the main constituents of fuels are calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Next question. The chemical ethyl mercaptan added to the otherwise odorless LPG cooking gas for imparting a detectable smell to the gas is a compound of, our answer is sulfur. So the chemical ethyl mercaptan added to the otherwise odorless LPG cooking gas for imparting a detectable smell to the gas is a compound of sulfur. So here are another 25 questions. You can see here. So our next question is, an element that doesn't occur in nature but can be produced artificially is, and our answer is plutonium. Plutonium is the element which doesn't occur in nature but can be produced artificially. Next, here we have to match the following. The first one is our sodium bicarbonate and our answer is acidic salt. Next we are having alum and here the answer is double salt. So alum is a double salt. Next we are having bleaching powder and here our correct match is mixed salt. Bleaching powder is a mixed salt. Next is our sodium chloride and our correct match is normal salt. So sodium chloride is a normal salt. Next question. The inert gas which is substituted for nitrogen in the air used by deep sea divers for breathing is, and our answer is helium. The inert gas which is substituted for nitrogen in the air used by deep sea divers for breathing is our helium. Next, the group of metals ferrum, cobalt, nickel may be best called as, and our answer are transitional metals. So the group of metals iron, cobalt, nickel may be best called as transition metals. Next question, heavy water is, and our answer is deuterium oxide or D2O. Next question, amalgams are, and our answer is alloys which contain mercury as one of the contents. So amalgams are the alloys which contain mercury as one of the contents, and alloy is something which contains a mixture of more than one metal or maybe the mixture of metal and a non-metal. Next, which of the following characteristics is not shown by hydrogen? And our answer is it supports combustion. So hydrogen doesn't support combustion. Next we have to match this following. So first is our zeolite, and zeolite match is our softening of water. Zeolite is used for softening of water. Next come to us plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used for casting. Next come to us ultramarines, and our answer is and our answer is laundry work. Ultramarines are used in laundry work. Next come to us carborundum, and our answer is glass cutting. Carborundum is used for glass cutting. Next, which of the following elements is obtained from seaweeds? And our answer is iodine. Next, the metallic constituents of hard water are calcium, magnesium and iron. So the metallic constituents of hard water are calcium, magnesium and iron. Next question, the property of a substance to absorb moisture from air on exposure is called, and our answer is deliquescence. So the property of a substance to absorb moisture from the air on exposure is called our deliquescence. Which gas is used for preparation of soda water? And our answer is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used for the preparation of soda water. Our next question, which of the following minerals has the lowest numerical hardness value? And our answer is topaz. Topaz is the mineral which is having the lowest mineral hardness value. Next question, brass gets discolored in air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air? And our answer is hydrogen sulfide. Brass gets discolored in air because of the presence of hydrogen sulfide. Our next question. Quartz crystals normally used in quartz clocks etc. is chemically silicon dioxide. So quartz crystals normally used in quartz clocks etc. is chemically silicon dioxide. Next, bell metal is an alloy of, and our answer is tin and copper. So bell metal is an alloy of tin and copper. Next, the high temperature superconductors are, and our answer is ceramic oxides. So the high temperature superconductors are ceramic oxides. Next, which of the following are the ingredients of gunmetal? And our answer is copper, tin. So copper and tin are the ingredients of gunmetal. Next, we have to match this following. So first one is our acid salt, and acid salt is our sodium bicarbonate. Next is our basic salt, and our basic salt is potassium ferricyanide. Next is our complex salt. Our basic salt is white lead, and complex salt is our potassium ferrocyanide, and our double salt is our common alum. Again I am repeating. Acid salt is our sodium bicarbonate, basic salt is our white lead, complex salt is our potassium ferrocyanide, and double salt is our common alum actually. Next question. The variety of coal in which the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material is, the answer is peat. So the variety of coal in which the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material is our peat. Next, the gas that usually causes explosion in coal mines is our methane. Next, in fireworks the green flame is produced because of barium. So in fireworks the green flame is produced because of barium. Next question. Which of the following ores doesn't contain iron? And our answer is cassiterite. Cassiterite is the ore which doesn't contain iron. Next question. The element required for solar energy conversion is, and our answer is silicon. Silicon is the element which is required for the solar energy conversion. And our next question is, which of the following was to be discovered first in the chromosphere of the sun? And our answer is helium. Helium was to be discovered first in the chromosphere of the sun. Thank you so much for watching.